What is global warming? Level 1. You have probably heard or seen the term global warming either on television, in the newspaper, in books, or in conversation. While these words are getting used more and more these days, not everyone understands what they mean. Do you know what global warming is? Global warming is defined as the increase of the average air temperature on Earth over the past 150 years. As the Earth is getting hotter, disasters like hurricanes, drought, and floods are happening more often. Over the years, the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere and temperature of its oceans changes about 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit or 1 degree Celsius. You might not think this seems like a lot, and from day to day it really isn't. However, the impact over time can be huge. Scientists are aware of many different reasons why global warming is occurring. They are working hard to slow down the process. But now that it has begun, no one knows for sure if it will ever completely stop. We do know that if global warming does not slow down, the Earth's climate, which is the average weather, usually taken over 30 years for a particular region and time period, may change for good. This can have a large impact on human and animal life by affecting where we live, the air we breathe, and the water we drink. Many natural habitats like forests, deserts, and oceans are also affected, causing many of those who live there to lose their food sources, shelter, and way of life.